Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Imran.
Okay, so who are traders and investors? Traders and investors is a group of people who buy shares of a public listed company that traded in Bursa Malaysia. Let's say, for example, you want to buy shares of Tenaga Nasional Berhad TNB. You will become the owner or the shareholder of the company, so that in the end, either you get the capital gain when the share price is going up, or you'll be receiving a dividend from the company. So what are the main problems that faced by our local investors and traders? The problem they are facing is a decentralized trading platform. So I will be giving you an example about the three different apps that required by all local investors and traders. Number one is brokerage trading platform. It is a broker platform that we use to buy and sell the securities, such as Melaka Securities, M+. Number two is stock screener, an application that we use to filter our stocks to choose the best stocks based on fundamental and technical analysis. For example, iSaham Stock Screener. And number three is Trading View, a charting software that will be used by all traders and investors as their charting tools when they want to draw on their chart price. So now I will be presenting to you two different applications that used by our local investors and traders. The first one is Melaka Securities Berhad, or known as M+. M+ is one of the top stockbroking company in Malaysia and an active participant organisation PO with Bursa Malaysia. So it serves you two main functions, which is the first one, it is a trading platform. So users can use them to buy and sell securities. And the second one is it provides you with a real-time stock market information so that you know the currently share price that are being traded right now. So like any other application, it has advantages and disadvantages. As for the advantages, M+ is an online trading platform. So you don't have to go to Bursa Malaysia in order to buy and sell the securities. You just can do it from your home. And as for the disadvantages, M+ is only limited to local stock exchange. So you cannot use them to buy stocks from other countries like United States and so on. So the second one is CGS CIMB iTrade. CIMB also is one of the active participant organisation with Bursa Malaysia, and it serves you with two main functions. Number one, it provides you with a worldwide real-time stock market information so that you know the current share price that are being traded in Nasdaq, Hong Kong Stock Exchange, New York Stock Exchange, and so on. And the second one is it provides you with a diversified trading platform whereby you can trade equities, bond, IPO, futures, and so on. So it also have some of advantages and disadvantages. As for the advantages, CGS CIMB is a platform that you can use to buy foreign stock exchange, such as you can buy shares from New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, Singapore Stock Exchange, and so on. Unlike M+, cannot, but CGS CIMB can. So as for the disadvantages, because of the capability for us to trade other countries' stock exchange, it has an expensive brokerage fee, which is about 0.42%. So based on the two apps that I've mentioned previously, I would like to choose M+ as the application on what improvement can we do into this particular apps using the scamper technique. Number one will be substitution. I think M+ should substitute their basic stock screener using an advanced stock screener such as the iSaham screener, so that users can filter their stocks not only based on the fundamental valuation but also based on technical indicators of the share price as well. And then the second one will be combination. I think M+ should combine their apps with a sophisticated charting software like Trading View, so that users after this users can directly draw or plot their chart on the share price. And then the third one will be adaptation. Okay, so for adaptation, I think M+ should allow their users to buy a foreign stock exchange. For example, we can buy Apple shares, Facebook shares from Nasdaq directly through M+. And then the fourth one will be modification. Currently, M+ is only accessible for Internet Explorer user. So I think they should modify their server to be accessible to other browser as well, such as Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and so on. And then the fifth criteria is put in other use. So I think M+ should develop a features whereby a fundamental investor like me can obtain a company annual report directly from M+. So instead of we have to log in into the Bursa Malaysia official website to download the company annual report, we can just obtain directly from M+. And then the sixth one is elimination. Okay, so for elimination, I think based on the slide, I think M Plus should remove the odd lots information because I think it's quite unnecessary. Odd lots refers to transaction below 100 unit. I think it don't have a significant information at all. And then the last criteria, the seventh criteria is rearrange. So I think the main dashboard live code about the KLCI points, trading volume and so on, I think that one should be put in the bottom interface instead of put it at the top interface. So as a conclusion, I think you can see clearly my presentation is quite simple. I want to develop M Plus as a one-stop center whereby we can have three of them, which is the broker edge trading platform, the stock screener and the charting software. All these three apps I want to combine into one apps. So it will provide a much more convenient experience for traders and investors outside there. So I think that's all from me. Thank you very much.